Have you heard about offer walls? If you haven't and are trying to learn about it, then this video is for you. To start your earning journey using offer walls, you first need to install applications, and you will get paid for every task you perform within it. This method typically pays an average daily income of $20–40. And you might wonder how the publishers of these offer walls earn from this. Well, it's actually bigger than you can imagine. The earnings you can give them plays from $50 and even up to $500 over time, while you're earning $10 from one application on one offer wall. Let me show you in detail how to earn using this method. First of all, go to the MyLead platform by typing it in your browser. When you are already here, just click this register button and go through with the signing up process. You need to enter your username, email address, and password twice. Of course, check all the checkboxes. Then, you still have to activate your email on the second step, but it's quite simple, so you don't have to sweat about it. After all that, you will then get right into your account. So, what exactly are offer walls? Offer walls are a type of advertising where users earn points by completing surveys, tasks, and other actions. These points can be redeemed for cash or rewards like gift cards, based on the user's preference. The available tasks vary by advertiser and may include activities such as completing a game level, watching videos, downloading an app, or spending money on a product or service. What will you gain by opting for the solution available at MyLead? Opting for MyLead offers a potent solution in the realm of incentivization. Boasting over 4,000 specialized offers ranging from games to surveys and applications, it provides a diverse array of options to engage your audience. The tool's flexibility shines through in its customizable campaigns, allowing you to tailor experiences to match your brand identity seamlessly. By collaborating with industry-leading advertisers, you gain access to premium offers that enhance credibility and drive user engagement. If I don't have an app like MyLead, offer walls, will I be still able to make money? Having no app yet is not a problem. You can learn to create one through various online courses and tutorials, such as those offered on udemy.com. Alternatively, purchasing app code online can speed up the development process. Start by buying the code for an app, customizing it to include the offer wall feature, and then publishing it on Google Play. App code typically costs around $50 to $60. After creating even a simple app, I will show you how to promote it. Besides Google Play, you can promote your app on various other app stores. For example, Huawei App Gallery has less competition, making it a strategic platform for promotion. You can also consider platforms like RuStore, the Russian equivalent of Google Play, where users can upload APK applications. Since Google services are banned in Russia, using this platform is essential for reaching users there. Another option is APK Pure, which allows users to add their apps and is notable for its lack of geographic restrictions and availability of older app versions. Adding your app to these and other external app stores is worthwhile. Offer wall rewards may not be suitable for everyone, and I understand that. But I've previously demonstrated how to earn using affiliate marketing, and now, introducing MyLead. You can use the latter to make money using the former method. Affiliate marketing is accessible to everyone worldwide, and that's the only difference there. Thank you for watching it till here. We hope to have helped you kickstart your earning career using offer walls. See you next time.